I got my style. I got my style. And it's alright.
Hello all, welcome back to Second Wind. It's been a while since I put a video on, and for that I apologise. I've done little bits, I haven't done much. I've been busy with work, and if you follow my channel you'll know I've been busy in Singapore and that. We're now back in the UK. We've sailed the FSO all the way back. It's now on position on there, so I'm now working back in the UK, which means I get to spend more time at home with family and friends, and obviously the boat. My father also had his 90th birthday, and he's been quite poorly, but he said he'd get to 90 and see how he feels, and he made it, bless him. He's been saying that for the last 10 years. He had a big party, which I went to. Anyway, getting on to the what you've plugged in for, which is the sailing. Jules and I went off to Studland, and then we went on to Lulworth Cove, and we anchored out in there overnight and that, and it was absolutely fantastic. We could have been anywhere in the world. The water was so clear, and we did a little bit of videoing. We didn't do much on Studland because you've seen it all before and we've been there before, so there's some little bits that I'm going to share with you there, and then we went on to Lulworth Cove. This is what we did. Hope you enjoy it. Swanage, which is like walked there the other day from Studland, which means walking right across the top of there and down the other side. Just over there the old Harry's Rock. We just come out of there. We're just there for a couple of days, haven't done any recording, just enjoying time with Jules. Been away for a while. Private time. And now we go sailing down the coast, Jurassic coastline, and we're going to head towards Lulworth Cove. Don't think we're going to get in. Yeah, don't think we're going to get in, but we're going to give it a go. It is Saturday and it's a very busy spot, but it's a beautiful day. It's a lovely day for sailing. We've got 10 knots of wind on the beam at the moment, and yeah, we're just enjoying the sail. Auto helm is now working. I've sorted that out. It's my nav data thing. I have no idea what auto helm nav data was playing up. I've isolated that now, and now auto helm's working fine.
So yeah, very pleased with that. It means that I can sail single-handed even easier. And we even sailed off the anchor today, so that was good. Never done that before. Quite a busy anchorage as well, but we managed it very easily. Jules is in bed still, probably playing her silly games on her phone. She's taking 2 seasick pills, so she'll be asleep in an hour. But other than that, everything's pretty good. I will check in later. Subscribe, give us a thumbs up if you're enjoying what you see, and for more up-to-date stuff, check us out on Facebook.